Chambers County, Anahuac. Boy, that's a rain right there in front of us, and that's a nasty old cloud back to our left. That's a little spot that's raining right between here and RWJ. And we're going to cut, we're going to get real close to it, and we're going to cut and go around it. That's rain right there in front of us. And we're past the courthouse, so that way they won't be complaining about us flying over the courthouse at a lower level. See the rain right there? So we're going to cut and go to the north of it, right here. I don't particularly want my plane washed. So there it is raining. And then right behind it, where we're going. And RWJ is still in the clear right there. And there's some more over there on the other side of the airport. So the airport is actually in a hole. We had one little cloud in between us. And we had, and then the airport is over there in a hole right there with no rain around it. Right to the other side of the airport, you can see it, all toward LaPorte. But you can see the screen here. You can see the screen if you can see it on there. The airport that we're going to is right here. It's out in the clear. We came from right here, and that one little cloud in between, and the airport is out in the middle right there. Clear, in the clear. So we've got plenty of time to get on the on the ground over there, change frequencies. RWJ traffic, Cessna 24 uniform, 2 miles to the east, inbound for landing, 1,000 feet. And we'll be turning downwind for runway 8, RWJ. All right. RWJ traffic, Cessna 24 uniform, turning left base for runway 8, RWJ. I'll make it sort of a quick turn here. RWJ traffic, Cessna 24 uniform, turn in final for runway 8, RWJ. That runway is 5,000 feet long. And I'm going to slip it. And I give it left rudder, and left aileron, and right rudder. Looks weird, doesn't it? Now straighten it out. And start slowing it down. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Fly right here. Oh, land one time. not 3. Heat those tires up.